Day 7 on board the Spirit XL. The wind is not doing what it means to do. It's alright. Just go with the flow and we go to Chile. I'm going to speak Spanish a little bit more. Now let's see what happens. Hopefully we'll swing. But yeah, I'm on watch. It's beautiful. With swell. But yeah, it was a wonderful morning. I went through a bit of food. I cleaned out all our onions. There were a couple of bad, and they were going to spoil all the others. So, and yeah, I woke up a bit curious about the condition of our fridge. So the bottom part is full of food, and it's the first time that we try this, and yeah, I open it up, I have a quick look, and down there looks like that time just stopped. So I'm pretty happy. We still have green papaya, green pineapple, and yeah, banana, but we can always try to frost them, because yes, we do have a freezer in our home. Yeah, it's wonderful. And okay, plants are good. They look pretty happy. Today we put them a bit in the salad. And what there will be next to the salad? I have a Spanish tortilla. Yeah, our friend Paco gave him some lesson at the island Las Perlas, and now he's putting in action. His Pacific resolution was to cook once a week, and we are at the 7th day, so borderline, eh? Yeah, not much else from here. Let's hope, yeah, to start going in the right direction. No rush.